Your key level is going to be, and that's this horizontal line, that's going to normally be 1,000, so 3 zeros, 750, 250, 500, and double zero. The more zeros, the stronger. The first horizontal line that Pocket Options actually laid down was right here in the center. This is the one with 3 zeros. Now, I laid this one down, and the reason I laid this one down, the thick white one, is because we have so many points to it. Starting from left, we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we trade on that next candle. Where you have the common point of rejection, multiple points, is where you have support, where candles went up, and for the most part, they stopped going up, and then they went back down. If we were going to draw a support right here at the bottom, it would be where we have these 3 touches down here. If you look at the bottom of the screen, that would be a support, and this top one is the resistance. We had to draw our resistance. So I drew it all the way across, and then our trend line goes from bottom left of the first candle up to top right of the last candle, and we trade on that next candle. It's the same exact setup, but zoomed in. This is our setup, bottom left to top right. And then the candle we're trading on is this red one. We're not using Heikin Ashi candles. We are using 1 minute classic candles. Very important. When this green one hits 0, we are taking a trade. I use the flag timer for multiple reasons, but basically you can trade at any time on this candle, and it's going to end when this next candle starts on the first second. If you did 1 minute and you didn't enter your trade until the middle of the candle, now your trade doesn't end until the middle of this candle because it's a full minute. The only time you can't enter this candle is the last 5 seconds. So if you enter in the last 5 seconds, your trade is going to end over here on this green candle and you'd be stopped out. You would have lost. If you entered over here, we would have won, and we could have won over here, another setup, although you wouldn't want to do that because we have a higher high. The candle we're trading on is this red one, and the reason we're trading on there is because we have our horizontal line has been reached, and our trend line tells us that where they cross, we take it on that next candle.